Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this topic, in this lecture, we will deal with the topic hypothermia, or you can say the cold. The term hypothermia is used when an individual's body temperature is below 95 degree centigrade Fahrenheit or 35 degree centigrade. Pathophysiology of cold. When a body is exposed to extreme cold, the following changes occur: impairment of tissue respiration due to failure of dissociation of oxygen from hemoglobin due to low temperature resulting tissue anoxia. Number 2, lowering of body metabolism. Number 3, vascular response, which includes vasoconstriction of superficial blood vessels, then paralysis of vasomotor control of the blood vessels, resulting in thrombosis, capillary dilatation, stasis of blood, and tissue necrosis called frostbite. Damage to capillary endothelium, increasing capillary permeability, transudation, and edema. The classification of hypothermia: if temperature is 90 to 95 degree Fahrenheit, then it is of first degree, and clinical picture will be shivering and cutaneous vasoconstriction. If temperature is from 75 degree to 89 degree Fahrenheit, then it is of second degree. In this cessation of shivering, fall in basal metabolic rate, fall in blood pressure, and deterioration of consciousness. In third degree, temperature is below 75 degree or below Fahrenheit. In third degree, the temperature may be 75 degree Fahrenheit or below. In this, complete failure of temperature regulation mechanism, complete loss of consciousness, irreversible fall in body temperature to the equilibrium. Then we see frostbite. It is also called trench foot or chill brain. It is a syndrome complex comprising of local tissue necrosis, commonly occurring in soldiers at winter warfare, hiding in the trenches. Causes. Its causes are vasoconstriction plus paralysis of vasomotor control of blood vessels. Its clinical findings are as under: skin will be ice cold, showing the rheumatic patches on distal and exposed part, such as ear, nose, finger, toes. Number 2, generalized muscular stiffness. 3, low heart rate, BP, and pulse. 4, lethargy, drowsy, delirium, and death due to cerebral anoxia. Factors modifying effects of cold: age, duration of exposure, body condition, fatigue, exhaustion, intoxication, and starvation. In this, cause of death is death occurs in this case due to lesser supply of oxygen to the body tissues, especially of central nervous system. In hypothermia death case, postmortem findings are as under: externally pale skin with irregular dark red patches on exposed parts; internally brain congested with ventricles filled with serum; heart full of blood on both sides; other organs are congested. Medical importance: accidental It may be accidental alcoholic in alcoholics and in a person lost in snow drifts. It may be homicidal in unwanted newborn babies and elderly people. It may be suicide, but it is unlikely. Thanks.